Hello students, this is Neha and this video lesson is an initiative by St. Paul's High School. So students, as we have learned in the previous video about the latitude and the longitude, in this video we shall learn chapter number 2, that is, let us use the graticule. So students, you can see a map and a question based on the map. So let me read the first question for you. In which continent is Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is located in India. In which city is Taj Mahal located? So what is the name of the city? The city of Agra. Now there are two friends, Mike who lives in Japan and Mohan who lives in Kanyakumari. They both wish to know in which direction is Taj Mahal from their place. So, students, Mike lives in Japan. So, the direction from his place to the Taj Mahal will be towards the east. And Mohan lives in Kanyakumari. So, the direction of Taj Mahal from his place will be towards the north. So, their answers are different. Will they have the same direction from their respective places of Taj Mahal? No is the answer. This brings us to the point that only direction do not help us to get the accurate location. But we need to have a system to locate any location on the earth precisely. So children, can you see the horizontal and the vertical line marked in the globe? Can you click on the horizontal line that divides the globe into two equal halves? Yes. The horizontal line, these horizontal lines are also called as equator. So children, you can see the latitude and the longitude here. The earth is divided into lots of imaginary lines called latitude and the longitude. Latitude shown as horizontal line is measured in north or south degrees of the equator, which is the line around the exact middle of the earth. Lines of latitude are often referred to as parallels. So you can see children, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, these all are lines of latitude which are also known as parallels. So you can see an image here. Important parallels of latitude. The equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So in the northern hemisphere, we see the parallels, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Whereas in the southern hemisphere, we see the parallels, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctica and the South Pole. So children, let us watch a video to understand more about latitudes and the longitudes.
Latitudes and longitudes. In this module, you learn about important parallels of latitudes and lines of longitude or meridian. We can see a network of lines which divides the earth vertically and horizontally. The equator and the lines which run parallel to it are called parallels of latitude. Equator is the biggest of latitudes. The lines that run from North Pole to South Pole are all of equal length and are called meridians or meridians of longitude. The lines of latitude are always parallel to each other. They never intersect, but the lines of longitude meet at the North and the South Poles. Both latitude and longitude are numbered in degrees. These lines have latitude of 90 degrees at each of the two poles. Thus latitudes are measured north and south of the equator, and longitudes are measured east and west of the prime meridian. The globe is covered with a network of lines of latitude and longitude. This network is called grid. In this module, you've learned the following. The equator and the lines which run parallel to it are called parallels of latitude. Equator is the biggest of latitudes. The lines that run from North Pole to South Pole are all of equal length and are called meridians or meridians of longitude. Lines of latitudes are evenly spaced, but lines of longitudes are closer near the poles of the Earth. Both latitude and longitude are numbered in degrees. In case of latitude, the equator is the baseline for measurement. It is the latitude of 0 degrees. The lines of longitude are also numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree on either side towards the east and west of the prime meridian. The globe is covered with a network of lines of latitude and longitude. This network is called grid.
So, children, in this module, you have learned the following. You can pause the video and you can read it aloud.